MaxxChat Setup. The procedure for setting up MaxxChat includes activating the feature and then setting up access to MaxxChat for each employee in their employee record. Let's take a look. Notice the MaxxChat icon is currently grayed out, inactive. From the menu bar, click on Setups and select Company Information. Before we can activate MaxxChat, we need to turn on System Security. With the check mark here, security is turned off. Before you uncheck this box, you should set up each employee with a user login, password, and security setting. My employees are all set, so I'll uncheck the box. See the MaxxChat option lights up? The reason we need to have security turned on is MaxxChat uses the same login functionality as the security does. So let's check the Use MaxxChat checkbox and click OK. MaxxChat here on the toolbar will still be inactive until you activate MaxxChat globally, which we just did, and activate MaxxChat for at least 2 employees, and then close down MaxxTraxx and open it back up again. So next, let's set up each employee record. Click Payroll on the menu bar, select Employee List, and double-click on an employee record. On the General page at the bottom, enter a chat name to appear in MaxxChat for this employee. If left blank, MaxxChat just uses their employee code above. Then check the Use the Chat Room checkbox to activate MaxxChat, and check the Use Private Chat checkbox to allow a private chat to be sent between users. Note, both the sender and the receiver of a private chat need to have this box checked for the private chat feature to work, or you'll get a warning when you try saying employee cannot use private chat. And click OK to save, and do that for each employee on your list. Now let's close out of MaxxTraxx and reopen. And here I'm prompted to enter my password. Remember we turned on security? And now that MaxxChat icon is active. One more section to set up. Click on the MaxxChat icon, click Options on this little menu bar in this window, and here we set the function of the Enter key on your keyboard to either send the message when pressed, or create a new line in the MaxxChat message when you hit the Enter key. If you choose the second option, you would need to click the Send button to send the message. So I select to Send Message, since the text will automatically wrap if it takes more than one line. And checking this box sets MaxxChat to always pop a private chat window up in front of anything else you have open on screen. So let's say your service writer is talking to a customer and you need them to know something right away about that customer's job. That chat will interrupt whatever they're doing on the computer so they can read your note before they continue. This is a handy tool. And click OK to save your settings, and you're ready to use MaxxChat. Remember, MaxxChat is a communication tool between users on different workstations, so the MaxxChat feature is not used on a single user system. And this concludes the lesson on MaxxChat Setup.